Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a popular choice for beginners and intermediate players seeking a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-handle racket. It features an oversized 115 square-inch head, which provides a large sweet spot and greater forgiveness on off-center hits, making it ideal for players still refining their technique. The racket is factory-strung and ready to play, offering convenience right out of the box. Constructed with a combination of titanium and graphite fibers, the T.S6 is both strong and lightweight, weighing approximately 8.9 ounces, strung. This lightweight design allows for quick swings and easy maneuverability, which helps reduce arm fatigue during extended play. The racket's beam is thick, 28.5 millimeters, contributing to its stiffness and adding more power to each shot without requiring excessive effort from the player. Its head-heavy balance further enhances power and stability on ground strokes, volleys, and serves, making it easier to generate deep, penetrating shots. The open 16x19 string pattern offers more spin potential, ideal for players who like to add topspin or slice to their shots. The longer 27.75-inch frame provides extended reach, especially useful when returning wide balls or serving. While the T.S6 may not offer the same level of control and feel preferred by advanced players, it excels in delivering easy power, forgiveness, and comfort. It's also frequently recommended for players with arm issues, like tennis elbow, due to its shock-absorbing properties and lightweight design. In summary, the Head T.S6 is an excellent racket for recreational and developing players who want a lightweight frame with a large sweet spot, added power, and minimal strain on the arm. It delivers solid performance, durable construction, and great value for the price. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th generation tennis racket is a powerful, spin-friendly racket designed for intermediate to advanced players who want a blend of explosiveness, forgiveness, and comfort. It features a 100 square-in head size, 300G unstrung weight, and a 16x19 string pattern, offering a balanced mix of power, spin potential, and maneuverability. One of its standout features is the isometric head shape, a signature of Yonex, which increases the sweet spot by optimizing the intersection of the main and cross strings. This gives players better control and forgiveness, especially on off-center hits. The 7th Gen version includes 2G NAM speed graphite in the shaft for improved frame flex and faster snapback, enhancing ball speed and spin. Comfort is also a key focus. Yonex integrates vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle to reduce unwanted vibrations, improving touch and reducing arm fatigue. The arrow-shaped design and updated beam construction add more stability and a softer feel at impact, making it more comfortable without compromising responsiveness. On court, the E-Zone 100 performs well from the baseline, delivering easy depth, fast racket head speed, and good access to spin. At net, it's stable and quick enough for volleys, while on serves, it provides a nice blend of speed and control. Overall, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is a versatile and modern racket that caters to aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. It maintains the power and spin of previous models but adds better feel and comfort, making it a strong contender in the 300G category. It's ideal for players seeking a racket that offers both explosive performance and arm-friendly features. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is a premium choice for intermediate to advanced players seeking precision, control, and feel on the court. Now in its 9th generation, the Blade series has been refined to enhance responsiveness and stability, making it a favorite among aggressive baseliners and all-court players. This version features a 16x19 string pattern, which provides an ideal blend of spin potential and control. The 98 square inch head size offers a tighter sweet spot for greater accuracy, while still giving enough forgiveness for consistent performance. The racket's unstrung weight of around 305 grams, 10.8 ounces, provides a solid and stable feel without being too heavy, allowing players to swing freely and confidently. New to the V9 is stable feel technology, which enhances torsional stability and gives players a more connected feel to the ball. This update, combined with the direct molded carbon fiber construction, increases frame responsiveness and helps in maintaining control during high-intensity rallies. The racket is available in grip sizes 1 through 4, allowing players to select the size that best fits their hand for optimal handling and comfort. Its sleek, modern design with a matte finish reflects the racket's high-performance nature. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is especially well-suited for players who rely on precise placement, topspin, and controlled aggression. It offers a great balance of power, spin, and feel, making it one of the most versatile rackets in Wilson's performance lineup. Whether you're grinding from the baseline or attacking the net, the Blade 98 V9 delivers excellent feedback and responsiveness to elevate your game. This racket is unstrung, allowing players to customize the string type and tension according to their preferences. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 is a modern performance tennis racket tailored for intermediate to advanced players seeking explosive power with a controlled feel. Weighing 300 g, unstrung, it strikes a solid balance between maneuverability and stability, making it ideal for aggressive baseline players and all-court competitors alike. With a 100 SQ in head size, a 16x19 string pattern, and a standard 27-inch length, the Blackout 300 delivers a generous sweet spot and excellent spin potential. Its standout feature is the Power Flex Zone, a strategically designed section in the shaft that maximizes flex and energy return, enhancing comfort without sacrificing responsiveness. This design results in a racket that feels crisp yet forgiving, with plenty of pop on ground strokes and serves. Players praise its plow-through and depth on shots, especially when hitting flat or topspin drives. The frame's construction promotes strong ball pocketing and a lively response, while maintaining enough control to confidently aim for the lines. On volleys, the Blackout 300 offers solid stability and touch for finishing points at the net. The racket performs especially well for players who generate their own racket head speed and want added power without losing control. It feels fast in the hand, making it effective for quick reactions and aggressive returns. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a versatile and powerful frame that rewards bold shot-making and confident swings. It combines modern power with a comfortable, responsive feel, making it a strong contender in the performance racket market. Ideal for intermediate and advanced players who enjoy commanding the court with pace and spin, the Blackout 300 is also an excellent platform for customization, appealing to competitive players looking to fine-tune their setup. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket is a high-performance racket tailored for advanced and professional players seeking precision, feel, and control on the court. Part of Wilson's legendary Pro Staff series, made famous by players like Roger Federer, the V14 edition continues the legacy with modern enhancements and a sleek, elegant design. This 97 square inch racket offers a smaller head size that enhances accuracy and control, ideal for players with full, fast swings. It weighs around 315 grams unstrung, offering a stable yet maneuverable feel. The 16x19 string pattern provides a good balance between spin and control, allowing for more aggressive shot-making without sacrificing precision. The V14 features braid 45 construction, where graphite and aramid fibers are strategically braided at 45-degree angles. This innovation enhances stability and increases pocketing, giving players more connected feedback with each shot. It also includes paradigm bending technology, which optimizes the flex in the shaft and hoop, improving feel and responsiveness while maintaining structural integrity. Aesthetically, the Racquet has a sophisticated, minimalistic design with a rich, earth-tone copper finish that blends performance and style. While it's unstrung, players can customize string tension and type to suit their playing style. Overall, the Wilson Pro Staff 97V14 is a control-oriented racket perfect for intermediate to advanced players who want classic Pro Staff precision with modern technologies. It demands solid technique and footwork but rewards with superior shot placement, responsive feedback, and timeless elegance.